ahora dónde es la vaina hoy?
So this is called the walkabout. It's a strap-worn percussion instrument. It looks like a guitar, but it's built like a drum. And it is electrified, so it has a pickup in the bass part, and a microphone at the top. And inside is a magnetically attached snare sound. You can go either on this side or on this side on the inside. It gives you that.
From Metal Sounds, it's a company of south of France, and we built some Spacedrum and Zenko.
Let me show you that.
This is mid-range, this is a G major scale. This is an E major. And this is A minor. The hand pans in F major, we have F on top, and then A, C, D, E, F, G, and A.
My name is Pete Hecht. I'm a percussionist and drummer from Germany, and I love this thing. What are these? I have no idea.
Everybody needs a mushroom, inflatable mushroom drum set.
Okay, I'm here at Freedrum, and Fred's going to explain to us what this is.
So basically it's a virtual drum kit, and it's connected through Bluetooth to either your iPad, your smartphone, or computer. And it's based on the angles you point it in, right? So right now I have it pointing this way. I press the button once to calibrate. I have a high end. I have a low top. In the upper layer I have the right. It points in the direction you're going to play. Okay. Press the button once. I need to, I don't need to do anything. No. So you calibrate it like this and like that. And the high top here. And you have the random
Percussion or piece drums. I found this little cajon. It's a round cajon. It's got a snare inside, and I just kind of liked it because it's small, and you can place it in a snare stand like this. Hey guys, I want to show you this finish on the new Tycoon drums. You notice it kind of looks like trees or something, but this is actually laser etching. So come on up close and look at this. I want to show you guys some of these metal percussion instruments. These were originally developed by Pete Engelhardt, who is an amazing metal worker, and he designed all these different instruments. I can't play them loud right now, but different kinds of bells. So these are tuned actually right here. And then this one, come in here so you can see this. We usually call these a crasher. And I'm not playing with a stick right now, but you can crash on that. Kind of similar to what you would do over here on the tambourine. But this sound is a lot more, it's a lot tighter, a lot drier, more raspy, and a little more industrial.
If you like that, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and enjoy all the other hundreds of videos we have here at the World Drum Club YouTube channel. If you want to invest in your own education and take it to the next level, join us at patreon.com. You'll get access to me, also other videos, and a bunch of downloads that you can't get here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being a World Drum Club supporter.